If you are doing anything that requires device communications, event messaging, or mobile integration, there are a number of services that provide cloud services, device libraries, and mobile SDKs to make that happen. We give some of these the prototype-friendly designation, but not because they're only applicable for hobby and smaller projects. These services put particular effort into making it really straightforward to get something working fast. And they're likely to support many of the devices used in hobby or prototype work, such as the Raspberry Pi computer or the ESP32-based hardware. And they might even have demos and how-tos for solving common IoT use cases. Some examples in this category are PubNub and Carriots. At the core of PubNub is an MQTT-based publish and subscribe service. In addition to allowing events to be streamed to and from devices, the PubNub backend also allows you to create custom functions that can be executed whenever specific events occur. This could be used to modify or route events in flight, or even integrate with a REST API from another service, firing off a chunk of data whenever one of your devices publishes an event. Finally, to make it easier to get your IoT project communicating with mobile and web applications, they also provide a wide range of SDKs for iOS, Android, Python, JavaScript, among others. Carriots also provides an MQTT-based publish-subscribe interface for data collection and routing, as well as a REST API for device status updates, administration, and provisioning. Event listeners can be configured to trigger actions when specific event conditions occur, allowing you to integrate with other services. The administration interface also makes it easy to integrate directly with dashboard services like Initial State.